This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Tuesday, July 9th of 2013. Well, we have a few things to discuss for the next several days here. First of all, some areas of dense fog. That's going to be for coastal locations, mainly along Lakes Michigan and Huron, through mid-morning today and then again tonight. Obvious impacts with dense fog are those reduced visibilities. And then also some isolated to scattered thunderstorms for all of northern Michigan. And that's mainly going to be overnight into Wednesday midday. Now, a few storms may be severe along and south of M32 for late tonight. And the primary threats are damaging winds and large hail. And then finally, the chance of thunderstorms returns after a nice break in weather for Sunday night into Monday. And that's again for all of northern Michigan. Now taking a look at the current weather map, we do have a weak area of low pressure that is moving east out towards Lake Huron. There's a frontal boundary attached to this low pressure, extending both east and west. Looking back to the west, it attaches itself to a couple of other areas of low pressure that have some associated showers and thunderstorms. And then as we look into late tonight, that frontal boundary will push eastward as a cold front, while attendant low pressure works through Ontario. Now, this particular feature will be the one that will be a cause for concern for the possibility of a few storms becoming severe. And again, that is along and south of M32. There's high pressure we see building in across the Dakotas and Montana and Wyoming behind this cold front. By Wednesday morning, that cold front will be pushing through northern Michigan, making its way across us by later that day. And then that's when a high pressure builds in by Thursday, and it'll gradually build over the Great Lakes as we go through the weekend. And that's going to bring some beautiful summertime weather. Now, if we take a look at Monday, we do have the next low pressure and cold front that'll be pushing here towards, again, the beginning of the next work week. As far as the severe weather outlook goes, here is the shaded yellow section for the slight chance for severe weather. And again, this is approximately along and south of M32, and a more detailed look at the severe weather. The primary threats here are going to be damaging winds and large hail, although there is a small percent chance that there could be a tornado across the same area. As far as today goes, some possible isolated showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening, but the better chance is going to be for later tonight when the rainfall is a lot more likely. Temperatures today going to rise into the 80s for pretty much all locations across northern Michigan. Some cooler upper 70s near the cooler lakes. And of course, we have areas of fog, and some of this is dense as we have some very muggy air with cooler water. Now, wrapping up the hazards, again, for today, there's some small chance for some isolated showers and thunderstorms for this afternoon and this evening, but the better chance comes overnight tonight and, of course, into Wednesday morning. A few of the storms may be severe across parts of northern lower south of M32, and again, the primary threats, damaging winds and large hail. The chance of thunderstorms returns again for Sunday night into Monday, and, of course, watch out for the areas of dense fog for many coastal locations around Lakes Michigan and Huron. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.